Need a break from Instagram without deleting everything? Here's how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account the right way. First, open the Instagram app. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now tap Account Center at the top. Before moving on, consider downloading your data. This creates a backup of your photos, messages, and account info. It's optional, but highly recommended for peace of mind. To do this, tap your information and permissions. Then tap Export your information and follow the prompts. Once that's done, go back to Account Center. Scroll down and tap Manage Accounts. Scroll again and tap Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Now, select the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Choose Deactivate Account, not Delete. This hides your account while keeping everything recoverable. Scroll down and tap Continue. Read the notice, then tap Continue again. Enter your password and tap Continue. Read the note at the top, choose a reason, then tap Continue at the bottom. Now scroll to the end of the page. Under Automatically Reactivate My Account In, tap the default 7 days. Select Don't Automatically Reactivate. Tap Done. You'll be taken back to the previous page. Tap Continue. Finally, tap the blue Deactivate Account button. Your account is now temporarily deactivated. What happens next? While deactivated, no one can see or interact with your account. Messages, stories, and notifications are completely paused. When you log back in, everything returns exactly as you left it. If this saved you from deleting your account by mistake, hit like. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes that actually work. Drop a comment if you want help reactivating later.